I can't think.
Good morning, guys. We are back at the M4 to do some more maintenance. It's not too bad. The outside doesn't look that bad, but tires definitely get cleaned up. And we're gonna be doing the interior first and then work our way to the outside. So I'm sure you guys remembered, we coated this in Tre about, we're going on 4 months now. And we're just trying to sit here and maintain the coating to make sure it lasts as long as possible. All right, guys, well, so when the leather isn't too dirty, I have a mix. So it's a cleaner and dressing all in the same. So you're gonna clean the surface really good. You're gonna dress it with the leather. And this is Hyperclean I and Hyperclean D, mixed about 50-50. You can adjust the mix. I think this particular mix, I have a little more clean dressing than I do cleaner, but I can use it on everything in the car. So the leather, the hard plastic, the dash, anything that needs to get dressed, I'm going to use it on. Obviously, you're not going to use it on carpets. I've even used it on rubber floor mats. I try not to dress the floor mats too much, just try to clean them and then they're good to go. So spray everything down on here. I'm gonna use these gentle scrubbers. They make pads. I was able to find this towel. I don't know if they even still sell it anymore, but I'm not getting rid of it. I've had it for I think 4 or 5 years now. So you kind of scrubbing any fingerprints, any grease, body oils, anything that's on here off, and then you're dressing the leather at the same time. So you can come back with a second towel if you want to kind of pick up any of the heavier residue that's left. And it kind of gives the leather a nice, like, it does a tiny sheen, but it's mostly like a matte, brand new finish. And the leather feels real smooth once you're done. So love this stuff. These, there's a lot of brake dust and dirt on these. Because I've been maintaining this thing, it's still beating like I did it yesterday. It's been about 3 or 4 months now. So, I'm gonna do the whole car now, but looking really good. the maintenance is all done on here. We basically just did a light interior, really just a lot of vacuuming and wiping down stuff, and then the exterior wash, and then we topped up Tre with Slick, which is becoming one of my favorite maintenance sprays, because, you know, leaves the vehicle looking really good. So hopefully I'll be back here next month, but I know next week, I believe, I'm trying to do it next week, I'm going to come back and do the Mercedes, because that has Tre on it as well. And I haven't touched this one since I did it. I think it's been about 2 months, but I have done this one a few more, so I'm going to try to come do this. This one's going to be a good video because it's pretty dirty. So here we go.